Now I'm here to testing LUUCCO microphone with iPhone. I think it's iPhone 13 or 14. I'm not sure. Now I'm testing inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with a lightning adapter. LUUCCO microphone. LUUCCO microphone testing. LUUCCO microphone testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At home, inside, not my home. Testing LUUCCO microphone. Okay. Now we're testing LUUCCO microphone with noise cancelling. This is noise cancelling off. This is normal mode. 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. Okay, I let the kitchen hood on. Wait. Now this is kitchen hood on. I didn't say anything. You see the big fan here. Okay. 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. Now the green light. I make 10 on the noise cancelling with the 10 on the noise cancelling with the kitchen hood on. 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. Noise cancelling off. 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay.